Hello my dears, welcome to my Right Vibe Yoga channel. Today we are going to do an affirmation practice which will take you just 2 minutes. So please watch it till the end, put like when you finished or put it immediately, do not forget to do it afterwards. This affirmation helps you to bring your energy back after a stressful or long and hard working day or whatever other life moment you had. It can be a breakup, it can be change of work, it can be just changing the location or change the place where you live. So whatever it is for you, whatever the energy you dispersed in this world, you can call it back with this nice affirmation. So first we put the hands on the knees. We take 3 deep breaths, closing our eyes, bringing our attention. First, we bring our attention inwards. So all our attention we bring inward. We inhale fully, completely, and exhale. Everything which no longer serves us, inhale, and exhale, let it go. And once again, inhale. Slowly, nicely count till 5. Expand three-dimensionally with your lungs. And then exhale fully, completely. Push the stagnant air outside of your lungs. Nice. Now we put Jnana Mudra on our knees, index and thumb united and forming this nice circle, and other fingers are serving for antennas and are outstretched. So we're closing our eyes and repeating with me. I'm calling my energy back. I'm calling my energy back. Let's repeat it for 5 more times. You can do it mentally or repeat it with me loudly. I'm calling my energy back. I'm calling my energy back. Now visualize that all your energy, which can be whatever, at your workplace, on vacation, or in the shop which you visited today, like imagine this energy stored there and bring it back. Imagine it returning into you like the lights. It can be pink lights or it can be just the white lights. It's returning into your body through your head, through your hands, through your legs. And then let's repeat 3 more times, the last 3 times, the affirmation. Close your eyes, straighten your back, open your chest. I'm calling my energy back. I'm calling my energy back. I'm calling my energy back. Make a 3 deep breath. When you inhale, repeat, I'm calling my energy back mentally. And then slowly, nicely, when inhale, open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me today. Remember that this affirmation you can repeat for a longer time. Just stop this video or put it on repeat, and you can repeat this cycle for as long as you need it. I suggest to do it at least 2 minutes. Better if you start with 3. You can also arrive till 10 minutes. However, feel what is right for you. I do it usually for a couple of minutes when I need it, and it really helps. It changes my energy. It gives me my light back, and everything turns in the best way possible. So thank you for joining. Enjoy your day. Namaste.